All right, I'll try this. These little shorts, I ain't getting enough done, so here's what. I've got a nice trailer, manure spreader, some field cultivators, a sprayer, more field cultivators, a couple anhydrous applicators, a mulcher, a big corn planter, another cultipacker, John Deere, an old round baler, auger wagon, bunch of little equipment here, and a John Deere corn planter going to get unloaded, and another manure spreader, John Deere 44 plow there, old Ferguson mower down there, nobody needs them. There's a John Deere manure spreader, another big field cultivator, some parts and pieces. There's an old horse plow, another mulcher, there's a cow squeeze chute, 2-bottom international plow, there's a Ford industrial engine over there, big hydraulic postal digger there. Some Minneapolis Moline weights, combine head, another bale picker upper, little engine, and I'm going to unload a cultivator. There's a little disc and a plow for a Ford over there. All right.